There are chances that when I say scientists working with the Large Hadron Collider have discovered 3 new subatomic particles, you might skip the video. But don't. Because in this video, we are going to simplify the latest humongous discovery in physics, which increases the opportunities for discovery or understanding the fundamental laws of the universe. First, let's know what is this collider. Earth is in danger. Scientists are going to create a black hole which will swallow the planet. These were the myths of the early 2000s when the Large Hadron Collider was being built. While some scientists planned experiments to do in this collider, others warned the world of serious danger. Large Hadron Collider is a giant, complex machine built to study particles. In simple words, a large physics lab that is 27-kilometer long tunnel and buried 100 meters underground on the Swiss-French border. It was built by European Organization for Nuclear Research. This in French is Conseil Européen pour la Recherche Nucléaire. When shortened, CERN. This collider is also called CERN Collider. What does this collider do? Let's get to the basics of physics. What does matter consist of? It consists of molecules. Molecules consist of atoms, and atoms are made of protons, electrons, and neutrons. Modern science has gone even further. For example, protons consist of even smaller particles called quarks. Quarks are extremely small. To know how small quarks are, imagine that an atom is as big as Earth. Proton will be the size of a football field. Quark, which is smaller than proton, will have a 10 centimeter diameter. Now, how could such a small particle be examined? This is why the LHC was created. Now let's see how the LHC works. The tunnel has 2 vacuum pipes and 1232 magnets which are connected to the pipes. 2 beams of protons are accelerated in opposite directions at the speed of light in order to make them collide. When protons collide, it might break and tiny particles might slip away. To see this breakage, in simple words, to see what happens when a proton and nuclei collide, a collider is needed. This might seem like an easy thing to do with the technology available now, but it is not. Imagine you are tasked to make 2 needle heads which are 10 km away from each other collide head-on. Sounds nearly impossible, right? Proton collision is even more difficult than this. LHC can help study these elementary particles, which basically helps us understand the foundation of universe and how it was built particle by particle. Now let's come to the latest discovery at CERN. Scientists have discovered 3 new exotic subatomic particles. This happened when they were studying one of the subtypes of quark called beauty quarks. These quarks have the ability to give us answers about the origins of the universe. This is not the first time LHC discovered a new particle. Their first major milestone was 10 years ago when scientists discovered the Higgs boson, which is also known as the God particle. Higgs boson was regarded as the holy grail by CERN scientists because it was a particle that physicists knew had to exist but took half a century to find. Scientist Peter Higgs and his collaborator Francois Englert were awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 2013 for this discovery. This invisible particle can be called the foundation of the universe. CERN Collider was built with the aim to decode dark matter. Discoveries made by the collider so far have made monumental leaps in understanding the universe. A Federal Report.